Hey guys, it's Allie here. Sorry I'm doing just a little quick intro, but yeah, hi. It's been a while since I've posted. I'm really sorry about that. I've just been so busy since golf season started, school started, musical practices started. Like I haven't been able to upload anything since like the beginning of August, so I'm really sorry about that, guys. Anyway, today's video is a DIY school supplies video. I know end of September nobody really cares about DIY school supplies anymore, but maybe next year this video will be helpful. I don't know. Anyway, let's just get into the video because I don't want it to be super long. So let's get into the DIYs. So my first project is a notebook, and I have this palm leaf paper that I'm going to use, as well as some just plain pink paper that I already cut into a triangle shape. So I'm going to attach the pink paper to the palm paper with a little bit of Mod Podge and just on the edges, so it makes a little pocket. And as you can see, it makes a little pocket. Now I'm going to add these gold letter stickers, and you could put a quote or whatever saying you want on there, but I'm going to put my name on it. And now I'm going to attach that whole sheet to the front of my notebook with some Mod Podge. Here is the final product. I really like the way it turned out. I wish I had moved the name, but I really think the paper matches well, and I just think it's so cute. Now for this next one, I'm going to do a binder insert, and as you can see, I already added my little Polaroid to my scrapbook paper. It's just a cute picture of me at Disney, and I added some bronze sparkly washi tape to it. I already did that off camera just to save a little bit of time. But now, oh, pardon my cat Mia. She is sitting on my project. Anyway, I'm going to do this cute little saying, someday I will travel the world, and I'm going to do it in a couple of different types of font. Pardon you. So this is the final product. Here's the quote. Here's my little Polaroid picture. And yeah. So now I'm starting a new binder insert, and I just have this flowered scrapbook paper that I'm going to use for the front of it, and I'm trimming it down to fit in the binder, and I'm going to use a ruler to make sure I have a straight edge. So now I'm going to just take one of these cute little scrapbook paper labels. It came with the same collection of scrapbook papers that the other flowered one did. And I'm just going to cut that out so I can use it for the label. Now I'm using the same gold stickers that I did on my other notebook, and I'm going to spell out the phrase "Je t'aime" because I think it's really cute. But you could put your subject on there or your name, whatever you feel like putting. And now to attach the label onto the scrapbook paper, I'm using glue dots. I think you could use Mod Podge too, but I was just getting really lazy. Here is the complete product. I think it's very cute, and I hope you guys like it too. And now for the last project. It is a notebook. I'm just going to attach some scrapbook paper to the front of the notebook with Mod Podge again, same as last time. Now I'm going to trim the edges of the notebook with some bronze sparkly washi tape that I have, and I don't film this part, but I actually did all 4 edges instead of just the 2 sides. So I already pre-made this label for my Spanish notebook, which is what this is going to be, just with some cute calligraphy, and I'm going to attach it with the matching washi tape. Here is the final product. I think it turned out super cute. I especially love the pineapples. I think pineapples are just adorable. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you liked the school supplies and you're interested in trying some of these DIYs on your own, maybe making them your own or something. Again, I'm really sorry for not being able to upload. Sadly, golf season is almost over, but that means that I will have a little more free time, maybe for YouTube. So I will try my best. Just please be patient with me. Please like this video if you liked this video, and I will see you in my next one, whenever that is. Bye!